Picture this. You've just moved into a new apartment, and you're excited to start this new chapter of your life. As you walk through the door, you're greeted by a jumble of mismatched furniture and bare walls, leaving you feeling a bit unsettled. But then, you step into the living room of your neighbor's apartment and are immediately struck by a sense of calm and tranquility. The room is bathed in soft natural light, with plush cushions arranged around a low coffee table in a cozy circle. A gentle breeze wafts through an open window, carrying the faint scent of lavender. You can't help but feel drawn to this space as if it's calling out to you with a promise of serenity and harmony. What's the secret behind this inviting atmosphere? It's none other than the ancient art of Feng Shui. Feng Shui is far more than just a decorating trend or a superstition. It's a philosophy that teaches us how to live in harmony with the energy of our surroundings. Feng Shui is about creating balance and flow, allowing qi, or life force energy, to circulate freely and nourish every aspect of our lives. But how exactly does Feng Shui work its magic, and what principles guide its practice? One of the foundational principles of Feng Shui is the bagua, a symbolic map that divides a space into 9 areas, each corresponding to different aspects of life such as wealth, health, relationships, and career. By understanding the bagua and how it applies to a specific environment, practitioners can strategically place objects and adjust elements to enhance the flow of energy in those areas. For instance, if you're looking to boost your career prospects, you might focus on the northern area of your space, incorporating elements such as the color black, which represents water, a symbol of career success or prosperity, or images of mountains, which symbolize stability and support. To activate and enhance wealth energy, you might incorporate elements such as the color green, symbolizing growth and abundance. But Feng Shui isn't just about adding objects or rearranging furniture, it's also about removing obstacles and minimizing negative influences. Clutter, for instance, is seen as a major blockage to the flow of qi. By decluttering and organizing a space, we can clear the path for positive energy to circulate freely, allowing opportunities to manifest more easily in our lives. Imagine the feeling of liberation as you purge your space of unnecessary belongings, creating a clean and open canvas for new possibilities to emerge. Another key aspect of Feng Shui is the concept of yin and yang, the complementary forces that exist in all things. In the context of interior design, yin represents qualities like softness, receptivity, and relaxation, while yang embodies traits such as brightness, activity, and stimulation. A well-balanced space incorporates both yin and yang elements, creating a harmonious environment that supports both productivity and relaxation. Think of a living room bathed in warm, golden light, with plush rugs and soft throw blankets, inviting you to unwind after a long day, while vibrant artwork and lively houseplants add a touch of energy and vitality to the space. When it comes to your health, this aspect is intertwined with the flow of qi, or the life force energy, within our environments. Just as stagnant water breeds disease, stagnant energy within a space can manifest as physical ailments and emotional imbalances. By optimizing the flow of qi through the strategic placement of objects, colors, and elements, Feng Shui aims to create environments that nurture our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Take the bedroom, for example, a sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. According to Feng Shui principles, it should be free from distractions and disturbances, with soothing colors and natural materials that promote deep, restful sleep. Beyond the physical environment, Feng Shui also addresses energetic imbalances caused by electromagnetic fields and geopathic stress, recognizing their potential to disrupt our health. By getting rid of these influences and cultivating a positive mindset, we can create a synergistic relationship between our inner and outer worlds, enhancing our vitality and resilience. So, perhaps the most intriguing aspect of Feng Shui is this emphasis on the interconnectedness of all things. This philosophy shows us that our environments are not separate from us. They are extensions of ourselves, reflecting our inner thoughts, emotions, and experiences. So does Feng Shui actually work? While scientific studies on the efficacy of Feng Shui are limited, countless people around the world swear by its power. Whether it's attracting new opportunities, promoting better health, improving relationships, or simply fostering a greater sense of well-being, many people have experienced deep shifts in their lives as a result of applying Feng Shui principles to their environments. But perhaps the real magic of Feng Shui lies not in its tangible effects, but in its ability to cultivate mindfulness and intentionality in our daily lives. By paying attention to the energy of our surroundings and making conscious choices about how we arrange our environments, we can become more attuned to the subtle rhythms of the universe and the interconnectedness of all things. So, the next time you step into a room, take a moment to consider its energy. What does it feel like? Is it inviting and nurturing, or does it leave you feeling drained and depleted? And remember, with a little intentionality and a touch of Feng Shui magic, you have the power to transform any space into a sanctuary of balance, harmony, and liveliness.